What's up, guys? So right now I'm trying to adjust my clutch pedal because it engages fairly high and I'd rather engage somewhere in the middle. The rod I'm referring to is right back here. There's a 12mm bolt on there that I've already loosened, and the videos I watched didn't say where the clutch would engage if the rod's backed all the way out or if it's screwed all the way in. So what I'm going to do is first back it all the way out and see what difference it makes. Wow.
But he didn't go for it. He
didn't go wide.
Nah, he didn't.
Both of them. Camera hit my face. Nah, I was ready.
Oh, they put cones. Dead? They pop? Can't even shine the light on it. Oh, god damn. Dang it, he's being laminated pretty fast. I know, that's what I was saying.
What about this one?
There's tire everywhere, though.
Oh, you can't even see it. God damn. That's crazy.
All I heard was pop, 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 pop. And I was like, oh, yep, that's it.
Yeah, I'm seeing it sparks, bro. If you look at the
always
video,
saw the spikes for like a hot minute.
Hilarious.
Even worse.
Remember, one of these. Is it that side or this side that only has 3 lug nuts on it?
It's the other side because this one had all 4.
Both your hands. Yeah, this shit's gonna make the loudest pop.
Word, this shit ballooned like a motherfucker.
God damn. What the fuck?
Oh no, it's leaking already.
No, it is. Look, right here.
No, it's leaking from it.
Put your ear right here.
Oh yeah, I feel it.
Yo, that shit was about to fucking blow.
Damn it!
Damn.
Yeah, really.
Nah, let's see. Let's hope for the best.
This one didn't balloon as bad as the other one though.
Yeah, because I was drifting more that way than the other way.
I wanted them to
Oh,
pop.
no,
Like,
this one didn't bind the wires out.
I want to hear.
These were sparking.
See, now this does look like it.
I mean, you were slower than the NASCAR guys.
This was like, you know what this feels like? Those Risky Devil videos.
Yeah.
So today ended up being a very successful day. It was very random. I was trying to adjust my clutch pedal, kind of complicated, saw if a friend could help out, and then we went to visit one of his friends and it turned into a good night of street drifting. So I also just got home. It's 1:30 in the morning. I have to be up soon for work, so until next time, peace.
This thing hit the bull bike and all.